a teammate in trouble like Fabi, we have to help him now, okay?
With Delph out, Pep is forced to make a tactical change. Sané will make way for fullback Kyle Walker.
We're going to play like this in second half. Don't make bad faces, please. You are sad? There are many sads. I'm not good. I'm not good enough. I know that. Don't make faces. It's only the one in my team. I try to do my best. It's all. In a few years you can be a manager and you can do it. No problem. But until now, guys, I am the boss and I decide. Don't make bad faces, guys, now in the future. Because I told you the first day, I'm not perfect, guys. I make a mistake. Try to help. Second half, Leroy stay inside. Kyle go. You have to overcome the situations, guys. Stay focused. We'll have a replay. Okay? We'll have a replay. This time, don't lose again. We will have a chance to score, guys. We will have it. Okay? That is the game to us to play the second half. Okay, guys? Stay in the game. The referee, the opponents don't exist, guys. The referee, the opponents don't exist. Focus on what we have to do.